So I'm going to install the Kolari mount thing for Olympus. I actually already have it in my GH6. It is already installed. It's upside down because they say to follow the arrows. Well, the thing doesn't actually have arrows for me to follow. So I ended up trying to peek through the magnet for any sign and I just couldn't. So I installed it upside down. So thanks guys for not giving me an arrow like you gave everyone else an arrow apparently. So anyway, one of the benefits of this is to be able to put an internal ND instead. And I'll show you one reason why. This is the actual mount for the Olympus version. And it differs from the Panasonic version because the Panasonic version gives you this thing. And there's like little magnets attached, and you would peel that, and then you'd drop it in, push down, and then take this out. And that's how that works for the Panasonic one. The Olympus one, well, you undo these double stick tapes here. Oops, here. You would undo these, but there's no way to like mount it properly. There's no magnet, so I'm going to take the magnet piece that came with the one that I installed on my GH6 and use that as my guide instead, because I am not comfortable just dilly-dallying in there or whatever. There you can see the adhesive there, and I know that the Kolari logo has to be on top. I can actually see it on this one. And then I guess I just and now when I want to drop the ND filter, and the reason why I wanted to do this is because I still use this Panasonic 7-14 as my ultra wide. I still love this lens, and the thing is, you can't remove this. You can't actually put a filter on top of this thing. So this helps being able to now have ND on a lens that can't even house a filter. So yeah, and that's the reasoning for this. Plus it helps protect that a little bit. That's kind of nice. Now, I have one more filter that I'll install next time for the Blackmagic. And I love it, especially for the GH6, because on the GH6, the base ISO is at 2000. So having a 3-stop ND helps lower that a little bit. And I primarily use RE log, and that drops it down to 1200. Anyway, yep, that's it.